Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. For today's video, I wanted to jump on and do something a little bit more autumnal. It's definitely starting to feel like autumn recently. This week has been so cold. Also, I haven't really done a beauty video on my channel for a while, so I thought I'd kind of jump on here and show you guys some really cool autumnal hairstyles. My natural hair is super curly and super frizz prone, so when it comes to autumn and autumn seasons, especially in the UK, there's a lot of humidity, a lot of rain, a lot of wind. My hair is just like, it goes crazy and has a mind of its own. Over the years, I've kind of had to develop a lot of tricks and techniques on how to keep my hair feeling super glam during like autumn and transitional months. I've also recently just got a couple of bits and bobs from INH, so insert name here. Before I ever used any of these, I was a complete hair extension virgin, didn't know how to use them, was completely winging it on my like review video, to be honest. Now I've started to kind of understand them and love them, and what has been an absolute godsend for my hair when it is doing crazy things is having like a wraparound pony. So when I'm just feeling like my hair is looking crazy, I can just tie it back, wrap a pony round, and it looks like I've got super glam hair that I've spent hours on, and I've literally spent 5 minutes on. For today's video, I've got two items actually. I've got their JORDYNN mid-length pony, and then I also got the COURTNEY, which is a half up, half down. If you watch one of my older INH videos, I actually did a half up, half down with one of their original ponies, and then recently they've just released like a half up, half down collection. So I was like, okay, I need to try this out. I'm super excited about that. I haven't tried any of them on yet, so you guys will get my first impressions as well in this video. Before we jump into the actual hairstyles, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a run through of what I use pre like styling. So I use a hydrating shampoo and conditioner, and I also have a hydrating hair mask. I will pop the details of all the specific products that I use down below so you guys can have a look or find similar. You've got to find the right hydrating conditioner that works for combating frizz without making your hair feel really heavy and grotty. Once my hair is obviously washed, I tend to use a blow dry cream, which I work into the bottom of my hair and then brush upwards throughout my hair, and then I use an argan oil serum as well, and I just use that on the ends of my hair and on the edges of my fringe. So we're going to start off with like the low ponytail. This is their mid-length pony, and it's kind of got like a layered curl. It's just really natural curly hair. This is something that I love to do when I'm not really like super feeling my hair. If my hair does tend to get a little bit curly and goes a little bit crazy, it still looks quite polished and finished. So I use ash blonde, and even though I've had like a darker brunette toner over my hair, it still matches really nicely. So I'm going to switch to voiceover so you guys can watch me do my hair. The first thing I'm going to do is just brush my hair back into a low ponytail just to make sure it's nice and smooth and secure. I just use a standard like strong hair bubble for this. Then what I like to do is pull some of my front pieces back out just around my fringe so it looks slightly softer around my face. Because I have thick hair, what I tend to do is twist or plait my natural pony just to stop it getting in the way when applying the new ponytail. So once that's all secure, I'm going to grab the JORDYNN pony. The pony itself has this like comb grip inside, as well as like this velcro strip that runs around the top, and that's what's going to fasten to your existing pony and keep it nice and secure. And it also comes with two little bobby pins. So you're going to take the JORDYNN pony and you want to push the comb into your ponytail underneath where your hair bubble is. You then want to wrap the velcro tail around the bubble and continue wrapping this until the hair is covering up the velcro completely. Once it's completely covered, you can take the two bobby pins and you want to secure the wrapped hair in place. I like to put these in at slightly different angles so it feels slightly more secure. The last thing you want to do is just undo your natural hair, take off the bottom bubble and let natural hair blend into the pony. As you can see, it's super quick and easy to do. You can see how well it blends into my natural hair colour. It feels super lightweight and it looks super gorgeous. It's definitely one of my favourite ponies that I've tried from INH. It's very similar to like my natural hair texture. It's definitely something that I'm going to be using regularly. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, I tend to do this either with or without like extensions. I'm going to be using the insert name here, COURTNEY set for this. This is the ponytail. This is for the top of my head. So as you can see, there's still loads of hair. This would be perfect to recreate the previous look, but with a lot more of like a natural swoopy kind of pony. The previous one is probably more like what my natural hair would go to, hence why I tend to use that one. But this again would be super gorgeous to get the same kind of like low pony kind of vibe. This also comes with 3 sections. It comes with one large piece that's got 4 clips on it, so that would actually go like the highest point of your head, and then you've also got 2 smaller pieces with just 3 clips on them. I will again switch to voiceover and catch up with you guys in a second.
So I'm going to start off by splitting my hair into 2 sections. I'm going to clip the top half of my hair out the way because we're going to be starting with our bottom extension pieces. This doesn't have to be neat, it's literally just to kind of clip the hair up and out the way. So I'm going to take my section comb and just give the lower portion of my hair a bit of a brush through, just making sure there's no tangles before we create our first section. So we're going to start at the nape of my neck, and then again we're going to just temporarily pin the remainder of the hair up and out the way. So then we're going to grab the shortest of the 3 clip wefts and we're going to apply this onto our first section. I like to start by securing the middle clip and then just the 2 side clips. Once this is in place, you're going to take down the next portion of your hair, and I ended up letting a little bit more hair down just so I had enough hair for the next 2 pieces, but you're essentially going to repeat this process for the medium and the longest weft. Each time you want to move up about 1 inch before applying the next section. This doesn't have to be like super accurate. If you want slightly less volume, you can apply 2 wefts instead of all 3 wefts. Once all 3 extensions are attached, you can obviously adjust them, make sure they're comfortable. You want to take down any remaining hair and comb it over, just making sure that they're completely covered. So for the sake of today's video, I took all my hair down just to kind of show you guys what it would be like if you had your hair fully down and you just wanted to kind of wear it with the extensions. So when it comes to adding the pony, we're going to kind of repeat the same process as we did with the previous hairstyle. You want to make sure that the extensions are still fully covered. If it means taking up slightly less of your hair at the top, that's fine. So again, we're going to wrap the pony around the hair and keep wrapping it around until it's nice and covered, and again you're going to go in and secure that with a bobby pin. What I like to do is go in with my hairbrush afterwards and just kind of smooth out the top of my head and make sure there's no flyaways, and just make sure everything's sitting really nicely. Obviously, once you kind of understand how to pop in the extensions and get the hang of wrapping the pony round, it's super quick and easy to do, and it gives you instantly like glam blow dried hair without obviously having to use any heat on your hair. My hair looks super thick and super bouncy and gorgeous. It's definitely giving me like Ariana Grande vibes, and I'm so here for it.
So that is both the hairstyles complete. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I hope it's giving you a little bit of inspiration to try out some cute half up, half down, low pony autumnal vibes. Obviously this hair, you know, you can wear it all year long, but what I mean by like autumnal is just a little bit more relaxed, a little bit easygoing, and something that despite the weather will still kind of work with your hair. I hope as as well, it's giving you a little bit more insight into INH and the products they offer. I think it's really cool that they're doing like the half up, half down now. I've always been super impressed by the quality and how well these hair extensions have worn. I've got the U-clip and I've got 2 other ponies that I've had for about a year now, and they're still in excellent condition. They give you step-to-step instructions about how to maintain stuff. There's also like detangling sprays and all sorts on their website, so if you ever have any issues with your hair extensions, definitely like go and check out their Instagram, give them a message, and they'll definitely be able to help you. But like, how pretty is this? Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'm going to be back very, very soon with some more autumn styled videos. I'm trying to kind of like do slightly different videos because I feel like I'm kind of doing the same thing all the time at the minute, but I just want to know what you guys want to watch and I will provide. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys very shortly in my next video.